The Lawn Genius presents How to Control Nutgrass.
Nutgrass. Now what a pain in the ass that weed is. In fact, thanks to La Nina, we're seeing it more prevalent across Australia than ever before. That's why we've got this video today to show you how to control it in your lawn without damaging it. Specialty herbicide like Tempera is exactly what you need. So let's get cracking. Alright, so we're going to mix up our Tempera here, and very lucky it comes with a little spoon for 1.3 grams. Now the reason it comes with that spoon is 1.3 grams will treat 100 square metres. So we're going to add this, 1.3 grams, to 5 litres of water, and then spray that out over 100 square metres.
Another Lawn Genius tip.
Now just as a little pro tip, if you want, nutgrass has a very glossy leaf, and therefore the herbicide can roll off a little bit. So we like to use a surfactant. Surfactant like Wet Out. It's only included at 1 ml per litre, so it's very little at all that we need to add. And so we're just going to add 5 ml of that to our 5 litres of water, and that'll get us over the 100 square metres. So there you have it. Nutgrass doesn't have to be a pain in your ass. It's as simple as having the right product solutions with Tempera and Wet Out, adding them to your tank and spraying nice and evenly over the lawn. Now if you've got a problem in your lawn and you're not sure of the right solution, then I'm here to help you.